How to transfer money from PayPal to CashApp. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to transfer money from PayPal to CashApp step by step. On the screen, you'll notice a balance in our PayPal account. To begin the transfer process, click on the Transfer button. From the options presented, choose Transfer to Bank, which allows for either instantaneous transfers with a fee or 1 to 3 business days without any fees. Since we want to change our current bank, we click on Change and then proceed with the Link a New Bank Account. However, CashApp isn't listed. So for the sake of this example, we simply type in CashApp. Next, click on Enter your bank details. Select the account type as checking and input the account and routing numbers. To retrieve this information, open the CashApp and click on the bottom left, where the bank icon or a dollar amount may appear. From there, access the account and routing number section. If you don't already have this information, you'll be prompted to get a free debit card to gain access to it. Once you have the account and routing numbers, add them to your PayPal account. Click on Link this bank, and it will show you link to your bank. You can now transfer money to your bank. Click Done. Now you'll see your CashApp account ready to go. Adjust the amount you wish to transfer, like $20, and choose whether you want the transfer to be instant with a fee or within 1 to 3 business days without a fee. By clicking the appropriate option, the $20 will be transferred from PayPal to CashApp. Feel free to check out my next video on how to make the most of CashApp. Thank you so much for watching.